Welcome to my new video. Today, we are going to learn how to clean up photos and make them look better. First, open any photo editing app like Snapseed, Adobe Lightroom, or PixArt. Once your photo is open, start by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and sharpness to make it look clearer. If there are unwanted spots, scratches, or dust on the photo, use the healing tool or clone stamp to remove them. You can also crop the photo to remove any unnecessary parts and focus on the main subject. Additionally, adjusting the saturation and color balance can make your photo look more vibrant. And that's it. Your photo is now cleaned up and looks much better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.